Hi, in this video we'll discuss about the change the subject of the formula. I do have some exam questions, and the first question is rearrange y equals to 3x plus 7 over x to make the x subject of the formula, to make x the subject, right? So you can see at this stage y is a subject because y is only the value on one side. We need to make x in a subject, so we should have only x on one side, and we need to move all the other terms to the other side. So if you times by x on both sides, if you have y equals to 3x plus 7 over x times by x on both sides, then x and x cancels out from this side and you're left with xy equals to 3x plus 7. Now we need to take the values of x on one side and the values without x should be on the different side. So if you take 3x to the left, so it will be xy minus 3x equals to 7. Now you can see on the left hand side x is a common term, so you can take x as a factor out. When you take x outside, you're left with y minus 3 inside the bracket equals to 7. If you divide by y minus 3 on both sides, then y minus 3 and y minus 3 cancels each other, and you're left with x equals to 7 over y minus 3. So you can see now x is a subject. Alright, so the next question is t equals to 5 and minus 2 and n is an odd number. You need to tick the correct statement. Either the t is always even, t is always odd, and t could be even or odd. Okay, so you can see that we have t equals to 5 and minus 2 and n is odd number. So if n is odd, so it can be 5 times 1 take away 2, 5 times 2 not 2 sorry 5 times 3 take away 2, 5 times 5 take away 2, because n is odd, so this number will be odd number always, right? So 5 times 1 is 5, take away 2 is 3, 5 times 3 is 15, take away 2 is 13, 5 times 5 is 25, take away 2 is 23. So you can see all the answers, all the odd numbers. So it means t is always odd, so we need to take this one. So what would be the reasoning over here? We should write 5 times odd number is always odd number, and take away 2 from it will remain odd number. So that would be the reasoning. So the last question is we need to rearrange this formula to make n the subject. So what we need to do, if you add 2 on both sides, so you'll get t plus 2 equals to 5n, then divide by 5 on both sides, so this 5 and 5 cancels out, you'll get n equals to t plus 2 over 5, and you can see n is the subject now. Thank you.